that's so bad to tell you to read your Bibles at home and get back with your families and pray for our president who's doing the greatest job in history. I'll tell you, I left that. I was there 5.5 hours at the White House, and I left there with so much more hope because I see what our president's doing. There were guys there going, you know what? I was talking to all individually, and I said, yeah, he had a governor that needed stuff that would have took like 10 months. He got it done in 1 day. 1 day, it's amazing, Sean. As you know, he can take a problem. Here's listen to everybody taking the input, and here's the solution. But he's got a God-given gift that he knows what that solution will manifest to.
And I would imagine that it was a big deal for you to take your entire manufacturing center for your business, put that on hold, and now how many masks are you producing a day?
Yeah, well, it took me about 2 weeks of doing my due diligence to find out what I could make, and they get the right materials, the right elastic and all this, train people to do it. I got up to 10,000 masks within 1 day, and I'll have 50,000 each day. I want to get up to 50,000 a day. And you got to realize, Sean, every employee, if they can only make 120 in an 8-hour shift, it's very labor intensive. And I've got other companies that work with my pillow that form part of my top. They're all U.S. companies where I get some of my fabric from. I have all them making masks too. And I became kind of a call center. I have 8 people, part of my call center. All they're doing is taking in emails from people in hospitals and people, nursing homes we're donating here. You know, first responders, the ones that are, sitting out there with nothing. We got to take care of them first. And I care. With my employees, I'm so proud of them. I couldn't do it without them. They're just amazing. One thing I did for them, Sean, which the president was talking to me about, these companies that are still open out there, like your grocery stores and your gas stations and stuff, these guys should do like My Pillow did. Like I was telling the president was telling me, these guys got to make their places safe too. And I said, yeah, we're doing that at My Pillow. You come in now, and we have a guard at the door, one of our guys, and they make sure that everyone wears a mask coming in, that they wash their hands, use a hand sanitizer. They can all go on break whenever they want. They don't have to go as a group. I want them feeling safe coming in there. And the president was saying, all these grocery stores and stuff, they should be doing that. He said that they should be having someone at the door going, you guys come in with the mask, do the hand sanitizer there, and all their employees doing it. I told him, I said, yeah, you're right, Mr. President. I said, I got a call from my friend in Oklahoma. He has the House of David Church. There was a car part store there that got to be open, and there was 25 people in there that acted like that. We're not even in a pandemic, but yet the church couldn't be open, and these guys aren't even practicing safe practices. So, there's a big fight out there. They're attacking God in this country. The churches, maybe they should be deemed as essential business, because that's what I said. We should all be out praying. Everybody goes to
what's going on here?
Get masks at the door and sanitize, and we pray for get our country back to God and get it back to the great place it's going to be when we get through this.
I just want to say something. I just want to say thank you. We've become good friends over the years. I am the biggest fan of your products. You know me, I'm not the biggest sleeper, but I sleep better because of My Pillow, and that is, I have all of your items because I want them all. But more importantly, I know your patriotism. What people might not know is Mike has a foundation to help people overcome addiction.